Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Abdiel Santiago with the Prime Solutions team here in Panama. And in today's video, we're going to be showing you how easy it is to make your municipality tax payments by credit card. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first you will have to open your preferred web browser. For today's video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. In the search bar, you will have to type Municipio de Panamá and then press enter. As you can see, this will take you to the search results. Here you will have several results. Make sure to select the official website of the Municipality of Panama, which is the first one that appears on the results. But don't worry, in case you have any problems searching it, I will be leaving the link in the description down below. Okay, so here we go. We are inside the website of the Municipality of Panama. This website offers a variety of information and services for city residents. This website includes information on news, events, about culture, education, tourism, and also activities taking place in the city. Also, you can do online transactions. For example, renewing vehicle registration, applying for permits, and paying municipal taxes, which is the purpose of today's video. Also, you will have the information about how to contact the municipality offices, including phone number, address, and also a contact form to send them a message, just in case you want to get in touch with them. Okay, so what do you want to do next is to click on Trámites en línea. After clicking on Trámites en línea, you will be sent to a new page. You will have to scroll down just until you reach a section that says Hola, bienvenido a tu plataforma de trámites con el Municipio de Panamá, which means hello, welcome to your online services platform with the Municipality of Panama. You will have to click on the green box link that says Iniciar sesión, which means login, to access the login page. Okay, so once you are here on the login page, you will need your municipality taxpayer ID and your password to get access to your online account. So after logging in, you will reach your online account. On the right side of the screen, you will see your name or the name of your business and your ID number as well. This will confirm you that you are in your online account. Then you will have to click on Pago en línea. A search box will appear with two options for searching for the tax you want to pay. So here in Objeto Imponible, you will find all the things that are subject to taxation under your name. For example, if you have a car under your name, you will find it here. In my case, I have a car, which is this one, and the other number is the one of the business that I have right now. And then in Producto, which means product in English, you can find all taxes applied to your tax ID number. Here we have Impuesto sobre licencia de actividad económica, which is the tax based on the economic activity, and Impuesto sobre vehículo, which is the renewal of the vehicle registration. So for now, I'm going to leave it as default. and click in buscar, which means search in English. Then a table will appear that will have all the information about taxes. There are two municipality taxes that needs to be paid monthly. The first one will be rótulo, which is the name or identification of your business that is allowed to be displayed on the front of your commercial establishment, and it have a cost of $2 per square meter per month. And just to let you know, in case you don't have a sign, you still have to pay the $2, which is the minimum tax. And then the other one is based on the activity of the business and the income. In this case, for the activity set up on this company, the monthly tax payment is $10 only. Okay, so next to each tax concept, you will see the month for which each tax is due. This video is being recorded in the month of September. So as you can see, taxes for September are the ones that have to be paid this month, because we already paid August taxes last month. You can see here is the year, and then this is the month, and at the end of the table you will see the due date, which is September 30th. As you can see, you will find September taxes, October until December. Okay, at this point we have two options. We can go ahead and make the payment for just 1 month, the month that is due, which is September. But as you can see at the beginning, we saw that all check boxes were checked. So meaning that if you leave a check, you're going to be making the whole year payment. So this is that's also another option to consider. But in today's video, we're going to be only making the September payment. So we just have to check September taxes, which you can see it here, which is September 2023 for rótulo, and then September 2023, which is for Servicios Administración de Empresas. Okay, once you check those boxes, you have to go all the way to the bottom and then click in Generar Factura, which is generate invoice in English. A new window will show up giving you the number of the invoice with the total amount that we're going to be making today, and then the Visa and MasterCard logo that you will have to click in order to make your payment by credit card. So a new tab will open, and this is where we enter our credit card information to process the tax payment. You will see here the total amount that we're going to be paying today. Here we will have to enter our credit card number, and then the name of on the credit card, then the expiration date, and also the CVV number, which is the security code that you have on the back of your credit card. Okay, after that you check the terms and condition box, and if everything is okay, you have to click in enviar pago, which is send payment, to process your payment. So once we got this page with this message, it's because the payment went through. Make sure to click in imprimir recibo, so this way we can print the payment receipt. You will find it here. So you want to download this. Okay, so after making that payment, just go back to the page where you have all the information about the taxes that are due. What we're gonna do is to click on Pago en línea again and check if we don't have the September taxes anymore. And yeah, here you go. We have October taxes, which means that we already took care of September taxes. So that's how we make municipality tax payments by credit card.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest of our content.
And if you're considering Panama as an option for retirement or as a plan B, and you are interested to have a complimentary consultation with our immigration specialist, Giovanna Bernal, you can book a meeting at your convenience using the link in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.